Hello humans, it's me, Miss Paws, founder and CEO of the world's first $100 billion startup, Tabby, run by 10 cats. Tabby is the world's first cat matching app made by cats, for cats, and now I need to market it. As it turns out, just as humans love watching cat videos, cats love watching humans sell products. Unfortunately, the few humans I know refuse to show their faces on camera. So I'm using an AI video tool, Nextify.ai, to generate the ads for me. Wish me luck! The first video I'm going to create is a video of a human talking through Tabby. So here I am on the Nextify.ai website. I want to first check out their examples. These are the user-generated content ads. Let's click on the Sora 2 ads, VO 3.1 ads, the talking actors, product in hand, B-roll ads, unboxing POV, app showcase, and gestures. But let's first generate our first ad. So I'm going to upload the reference image of my app Tabby. The prompt guide is able to automatically scrape the relevant information from the image, so a lot of things have been pre-populated correctly, such as the Tabby cat app, mobile app. In terms of core selling points, I want to replace it with a little more information about the app. So, cat matching app made by cats, for cats. Target audience looks good, as does target region, video language, and video type. So let's click on next step. So we come up to another screen, and this is our scenarios and suggestions. I have been given 3 recommended plans. So these are some interesting scripts. There's one where it's a young woman, mid-20s. She's casually dressed, sitting on the couch with her cat. Then there's another one of a male college student in his early 20s in a dorm room. And then a senior woman in her late 60s in a sunroom. I'm going to go ahead and select the first plan. And now we are on the prompt screen. We have a more detailed prompt that has shown up based on the scenario I chose. And so scene by scene, it explains what's going to happen in the ad. I can refine the prompt. So I'm going to just click funnier just to see what happens. And it rewrites the prompt to make it a little more funny. I love how the prompt is set up. It's not your typical ChatGPT prompt. It is very much for the camera, sort of what are the actions that are taken? What's the lighting? I'm really glad I chose this prompt guide. Otherwise, I would have probably written a very basic prompt. I can additionally make any changes, so I just want to make sure that it says that it's a matching app and not a dating app. And once I'm done, I can confirm the use. Now, I have a few options here below if what model I want to use, sort of the ratio. I do want a landscape format. Duration 10 seconds is fine. For the generate video, I just want 1 copy to begin with. We can always create more later if we're not happy with the output. And then I'm going to press generate. I have another pop-up that shows up that it is avoiding typos. Proper punctuation is being used. It avoids violent content. And I'm going to press generate video. It takes 3 credits to generate the video. It did take the video a few minutes to generate, but let's check out the output.
You know how picky Whiskers is, right? Like, impossibly picky. So I found this app, the Tabby cat app, and it's supposed to be a matching app for cats. Apparently it's made by cats, for cats.
That was incredible. It really did execute my vision of what an ad should look like. If you want to use Nextify.ai, I've dropped my affiliate link down in the description. That means if you decided to grab it through my link, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, what if I wanted to improve on this ad? What are some other things we could do? Well, there is an AI collage feature, and this is not really applicable for an app, but let's say you have a 3-dimensional product, you can upload images of different views. There's also AI editing, so if you already have an image and you just want to add more stuff to the image, such as text or remove a background, delete the watermark, you can do so. One thing I noticed about the ad is that it not only was on my Tabby screen, it also showed other screens which were not necessarily the screens in my actual app. So I have an idea of putting more reference images, not just the loading Tabby screen that I had initially inputted. And I am also going to change this to VO 3.1. And let's generate the video. Let's check it out.
Like impossibly picky. It's a constant struggle. So I found the Tabby Cat app. Yes, you heard that right. This is unbelievable. You need to check out the Tabby Cat app. I highly recommend it.
Pretty cool. So this time around, the app screens were more similar to what we have in Tabby, although there were some differences still. My preference is still the first ad because it didn't have two human beings pop up on the screen at the same time. But with this, just try to generate more videos, and you never know which one is going to be sort of the perfect ad. I will say for these ads, though, it's fantastic how the video and audio pretty much line up. So the technology is definitely becoming amazing. Since I do have a mobile app, I want to try out the app showcase. So again, I'm just going to upload the first loading screen of the Tabby app, and we can choose the actor and template. I'll just go with the first one, and I'm going to press generate. This is going to require 5 credits. And after a couple of minutes, the video is generated. Let's watch. So this is interesting. The app showcase doesn't have any audio. This could be a great conclusion for a video that at the end you just have someone show the app. But an app launch alone isn't enough. To truly spread the word, we need something iconic, something collectible, something that screams, this startup is going public in the next 12 months. So I'll be introducing the special edition Tabby Leadership Plushies, which features yours truly, Miss Paws, CTO Chief Technical Officer Mr. Whiskers, and CCO Chief Cutie Officer Charlie. Let's make some unboxing ad videos so people know what to expect when they purchase these plushies. Now I'm going to try the unboxing POV, and I'm going to upload the image of our plushies. And I can click on a template to see kind of where the unboxing should take place. Again, I'll just go with the defaults. I'm going to click generate. This one again takes 3 credits. Generate the video. After a few minutes, a video is generated. Let's watch. I'm not sure what is going around with Mr. Whiskers there, but I will say that the first few seconds of the ad was amazing. I want to create 2 more versions of this ad just to see if Mr. Whiskers does show up properly in any of them. So let's try it again. I love the ASMR, it's pretty cool. But Mr. Whiskers again got messed up in this. I don't know if it's something with my input image. I have like a 1.5 Mr. Whiskers. Let's take a look at try 3.
Look at this little one. It's so soft. They all match like a family. I think they're gonna stay right here on my bed.
Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was going for. This had to be my favorite ads of all the ads I've generated. I love the background music. It's really cute. I love the little girl. This is exactly what I want. If you were to watch this ad, would you want to buy the plushies? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's all I had for today, folks. Hope you have a chance to try out Nextify.ai, and I'll see you next time.
M-E to the H-T-A plus, that's my zone. Leaping hurdles, breaking boundaries, never alone. Miss Paws on the block.